Hello everyone. On the request of my friend, I am making the video on perimeter for year 4 and year 3 students. Let's get started. What is perimeter? If we can see this figure, and if I tell you what is the perimeter of this figure, what does it mean? That means that you have to roam around the edge of the figure. What is the edge of the figure? That means you have to touch the corners of that figure, not the middle. You have to go to the corners of the figure. That means you have to walk around this and you have to complete the figure. That will call the perimeter of the figure. The distance around the edge of a figure is called its perimeter. Let's take a tennis court. What will be the perimeter? Let's see the tennis court here. So this is my tennis court here. This edge is 5 centimeter. This edge is 2 centimeter. Because tennis court is in the form of a rectangle, that means the opposite sides must be the same. So this edge is also 5 centimeter. This edge is also 2 centimeter. Now I need to calculate the perimeter of this figure. That means I have to roam around the edge of this tennis court. Can I move around this tennis court and write down how much centimeters I am moving? Let's write it down. So from here till here I am covering 5 centimeter. Let's write down 5 centimeter. 5 plus from here till here I am covering 2 centimeter. Let's write down 2. Again from here till here I am covering 5. Let's write down 5 plus 5 plus I have to cover from here till here 2 centimeters. Let's add 2 centimeters also. Total will be, if I add it, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2 plus 2, that is 14. Total is 14 centimeter is your answer. That means 14 centimeter is the perimeter of this tennis court. Let's look at this figure. This is the rectangle you have. He says that this one edge, the small edge is 1 centimeter on this side and 1 centimeter on this side. That means this is a square of 1 centimeter edge. So I need to calculate the perimeter of my shape. Perimeter of the first figure will be given by how many units I am going to the right. Let's calculate that. So let's write down the numbers on the top. This is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here it will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. I am covering 16 centimeters along the perimeter. So my perimeter for the first figure will be given by 16 centimeter. That will be my answer. Let's see the second figure here. This is my second figure. I need to write down how much perimeter of the second figure has. So I need to roam around the edge of the figure. Let's calculate it and write down the numbers first. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you are going 6, 7, 8. Then you are going down 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That means I am covering 22 units along this figure. So my perimeter for this figure will be given by 22 centimeter. Let's see one more example. Look at this picture on the grid. This is my picture. Each unit shows 1 centimeter. I need to calculate the perimeter of this shape. That means I need to move around the edge of the figure. Let's write down the counts here. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. You are going 14 units along the edge. So its perimeter will be given by 14 centimeter. This shows that the perimeter of the figure is the total length around it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.